How to say you're welcome in Korean.
When I'm buying lunch for coworkers.
감사합니다. 아니에요.
When I'm buying lunch for friends.
고마워. 아니야.
When my coworker says thank you.
진짜 감사합니다. 아니에요.
When my friend says thank you.
고마워. 에이, 아니야.
When I helped an elder on a street.
감사합니다. 아니에요.
When I helped a kid on a street.
감사합니다. 아니야. In many textbooks, it says 천만에요 for saying you're welcome. But in Korea, no one actually says like that. So, it's more natural to say 아니에요 as formal way, 아니야 as casual way. Thank you for explaining. 에이, 아니야. Bye.